In the words of Ansel Adams, you don't take a photograph, you make it. Have you ever wondered what it takes to capture those stunning wildlife photographs that leave you in awe? Today, we're going to reveal 3 everyday habits that will revolutionize your wildlife photography game. Are you ready to unlock the secrets? Let's jump right in. Number 1. Develop a photographer's mindset. When you step into the wild, it's crucial to embrace a mindset that sees the world through the lens. Ask yourself, what story do I want to tell with this photograph? Look beyond the subject and consider the composition, lighting, and background. Just like a painter, you're creating a masterpiece. For example, imagine you're capturing a tiger in the jungle. Instead of solely focusing on the tiger, consider how the sunlight filters through the trees, casting enchanting shadows on the tiger's stripes, creating a captivating image that transports viewers to that moment. Number 2. Know your gear inside out. Familiarity with your camera equipment is key to capturing those fleeting moments. Take the time to understand the settings, functions, and limitations of your gear. By knowing your tools inside out, you'll be ready to adjust quickly in dynamic situations. Let's say you're photographing birds in flight. Understanding your camera's autofocus system and burst mode will allow you to track their movement accurately, freezing that perfect mid-air moment. Remember, the camera is an extension of your vision, so be prepared to adapt. Number 3. Practice the art of stealth. Wildlife often thrives in secluded habitats, away from human disturbance. To capture them in their most natural state, you must learn the art of being inconspicuous. Take cues from nature itself. Think of a predator quietly stalking its prey. Blend into your surroundings, move slowly, and minimize any sudden movements or noises. Patience and silence can reward you with intimate shots that reveal the true essence of the animal's behavior. Imagine you're photographing a herd of deer in a peaceful meadow. By keeping a low profile, you can observe their interactions without disturbing their harmonious routine, resulting in breathtaking photographs. And there you have it. 3 everyday habits that will take your wildlife photography to new heights. Remember to develop a photographer's mindset, know your gear inside out, and practice the art of stealth. By incorporating these habits into your routine, you'll capture photographs that evoke emotion and connect people with the wonders of the natural world. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Wildlife Vision. We have plenty more wildlife photography tips, gear reviews, and breathtaking footage coming your way. Hit that subscribe button and join our community of passionate nature photographers. Until next time, keep exploring and capturing the beauty that surrounds us.